So what I've got here today is a cauliflower cumin fried rice. It's very simple, very few ingredients. It's absolutely delicious. It's healthy, it's vegetarian and it's vegan. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so we're gonna go straight in on this one today. I've got a skillet, wok or pan, you're gonna need something like that. I've got 3 tablespoons of oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil, but you could change that if you want, no problem. Right, the heat's on quite high, just put that on. 1 cup of onion. One tablespoon of garlic. Add some ginger if you want. 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. About 3 minutes, keep it moving. We'll have this done in absolutely no time, and it really is delicious. Next up, we're going to drop in our cauliflower. Now I've got like 3 cups in total. We're going to add some salt. We're going to add some black pepper. And then we're going to go for like another 3 or 4 minutes on this high heat. Again, keep it moving. So I like to try and keep a nice crunch on my cauliflower. You can cook it a little bit more if you want. We're now going to go with 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, and then a couple of tablespoons of sultanas or raisins. I like them in there, you know, to give it a nice little bit of sweetness. Then we're going to add our rice. 3 cups of basmati rice, cooked. And I always recommend a cold rice. This rice was actually cooked yesterday and I popped it in the refrigerator. Okay, stay on this high heat and let this go for about 5 minutes. If I get a little bit of browning or blackening on the rice, I'm actually quite happy about that. Okay, off goes the heat. I just want to show you some of that rice, which I've burnt there, which I love. I think it gives it a lovely flavour. And like I say, I'm a bit of a sucker for my cauliflower being quite crunchy and hard. You might want to cook it a little bit more. But that's beautiful. I'm going to finish this off now with some fresh mint. That in the mix with the cumin seeds. I think it's really good. If you want, you could use parsley, cilantro, something like that. But that is delicious and super easy. Let me get that on the plate. Okay, and there she is, absolutely beautiful, really simple. Cauliflower, cumin, fried rice. I hope you enjoy that. I'll see you soon. Keep safe and keep well. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.